Today in the wood yard, Kenny's back. He's gonna cut a tree down. It'll be fun. Here we go. So Kenny's gonna go up on the ladder with my dad's little weenie saw, and he's gonna cut a branch so that it doesn't hook and go.
I gotta cut 4 branches.
And so Ken's here with my dad's little bitty saw, and he's gonna cut some branches off up there. And we've got the tree tied up there, running over to a pulley over here, over to a little box elder. And then let's run over here to my dad's truck, and Eric's gonna pull it, and we're gonna keep it so that it doesn't go towards the house. It's a dead walnut. It's 90% dead. Last year there was one branch that had a few leaves on it up there, and seeing as it's spring right now, we figured just get it out of here. And so that's what's gonna happen. The tree's gonna hit the ground.
Give me your gloves here. File looks like it's junk too, so.
So we have a professional to sharpen Dad's chainsaw here.
If you're gonna be professional,
Ken's back. Look at his face. It looks like it's painful.
I cut a big tag off there this morning. Blood like a stuck hog. I had my blood all over the place.
It's all over your shoulder.
Blood. I kept going like this. So I had another shirt on. So
Looks like you got herpes or something.
Yeah.
I had to do a little surgery. I'm in the mirror. I got the tweezers and the razor blade, and I'm like backwards. I'm like, I couldn't figure out how to turn it. And then I tried to just rip it off, and I got a big hole in it.
Should have used a
You
chainsaw.
got the better deal. You know what I did do today? Shaved Dad's neck and cut his toenails.
Oh.
They were that long.
It was like on Dumb and Dumber when they got the grinder out. It was
definitely.
just like that.
Yep.
So here he goes, going to town.
Yeah, I'm doing this by feel. I ain't got my glasses on. You got cheaters? Oh, that'll help.
Cheaters on the bottom.
Oh, that's better. I can see the chain at least. Oh, and it's safety chain. This is junk. I hate safety chain. It ain't gonna cut even if it's sharp. It doesn't cut.
Yeah, I cut some limbs when we cut the elm down. It's okay for a little
Yeah,
saw.
it's for cutting a branch off.
Yeah.
It's for
It's useless.
for 4 inches and under.
Yeah, it's useless. For cutting off a tag auler when you need a club or something.
That sounds like it's pretty new though.
No, it ain't bad. Now that I can see what I'm doing.
My problem is I get too heavy on one side and I start cutting circles.
Yeah.
It's because you're stronger on one side usually.
Yeah,
a lot
Better
of,
angle, better.
I think a lot of guys have that
Yeah,
problem.
that's not uncommon at all. So I put it in a vise is better.
Cut that big oak branch off too.
I'm gonna take them other 2 branches above it off.
The oak or off the?
Off the walnut.
Yeah, there was only one branch last year that had even any leaves at all on that walnut, so it's. I mean, Ken said if it's solid, you might take it and have a guy.
I might try to cut an 8-foot log out of it. Try to get something out of it. Alright, I'll go the other way. What a weenie saw. It doesn't even have 2
Stands.
yeah. It's only got 2.
Need gas too. I don't see anything in the.
I got it.
Yeah, right here.
This is pretty dull. I think he was trying to cut dirt with it. This ain't even getting sharp, but it's better than it was. It would be better than a vise.
Who's that? It's a monster elm.
Where's that at? Let's look. Okay, let's gas her up. Come right down there.
Yeah. I get it.
Very good.
It's almost like he's done it before. Except he did hit his ladder.
Sweat.
Yeah.
80 degrees out, it's only April.
Yeah. It's,
Jeez. You guys are doing pretty good for beginners.
yeah. Here's a real saw.
Eric in the truck, yeah.
Here's, you want the real saw?
Yeah. I'm gonna cut it slow, we're not gonna go fast.
Yeah, I know. I haven't run it in probably a month, so, but I just filled it up.
Got gas and oil?
It's got gas and oil.
Is this got a primer or no?
Nope, you just flip it on.
It's on.
Yeah. Probably unchoke it now. Let's push it in.
About as good as we can do. Yeah, I wish there was a straighter so I could get some boards out of it.
Yeah, it's not. You might be able to get a couple
Might be able to get one from here to that knob.
to here, yeah. Yeah, it's probably good enough. Too bad you don't have your truck to take it back.
Isn't going anywhere. See, this is where you got to go to arborist school, learn how to tie these knots.
So you get
just got a
so you
kind of
get-
a cobble junk.
So you get loose knobs?
Yeah.
Loose knots? Loose knobs.
A loose knob. That worked, huh? I'm gonna get a log out of this. So I'm gonna take it here to that knob. That's kinda straight. Straight enough. Ain't much to it though. Well, might get something here, a 6-footer. Get a 6-footer and an 8-footer. It's walnut, what the heck? I know a guy that wants wood.
That's solid.
Yeah.
I got earplugs.
Oh, another piece just went right here. No, I didn't die. I'm fine.
If you move a little faster, you wouldn't have got hit.
Yeah.
And pay attention.
We don't have that mall here, do we?
Yeah, it's in the shed. You try cracking some of them?
Well, them big ones here will probably pop.
I don't know. I never split black walnut in my life.
It's just like oak.
Is it? I've never split it. That's the first black walnut I cut in my life.
Well, there you go. Isn't that a treat?
That was new. Yeah, you should be paying me that extra for that.
Eric's paying you because this is his wood. No, it's your wood. And, you're gonna get that log, so you should be paying for rental use and saws.
You should pay me for training your saw how to cut. There, beat that.
This is why we cut it down. Rotten. Yeah.
Usually we haven't even started beaver trapping yet. We're just thinking about it. Oh, there's no big. That's the downside of that plug. Square it up a little bit.
Let me see what you got there. Got a little something for everybody here. Special treat. You've seen the two brothers. Last and final member of the team. This is my sister, my favorite sister. This is Rachel.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
And there's Mr. Mullet, the mullet man.
Jerry Jr.
Jerry Jr. Can you hit the ground with it? That's where the tree was. Here's the stick that Kenny's going to take and have cut into some lumber for a friend of his that needs some walnut because he makes cutting boards. And here's the junk wood that we threw in that my brother's going to use for his wood boiler. We're going to take that and haul it. We're going to go dump it. So the job for today is done. Thanks for being here. You know what to do. Take your finger, poke the buttons, and then get outside and get cutting. Good night, Irene.